JC?
About centimeters, meters, kilometers, kilograms, grams, and now we learn pounds.
Okay. So what are all those things? What do they have in common? What are they all about, Chandler? Measurement. Okay, so we are taking our measurement unit a step further today, and we're going to learn about volume and capacity. Okay? When Elijah gets back, I'll explain what that is. But today, our units we're going to be working on are liters and milliliters. I'm going to go zoom this out. So, liters and milliliters are units of capacity. So, somebody tell me what you think capacity is. Joe?
I think it's like liters and milliliters, but like milliliters, like they combine together and make it bigger.
Okay. So you think if we combine liters and milliliters, it would make a bigger amount of something? Okay. Donna, what do you think capacity means? You're getting there. We're getting so much closer. Diamond said she thinks that capacity is the measurement of liquid. That would actually be volume, guys. The capacity would be, say, I have this measuring cup, okay? This line right here, everybody see it?
Yeah.
This line right here means 250 milliliters, all right? 250 milliliters. So, bless you. The capacity of this measuring cup is 250 milliliters. Okay? Luke, can you bring me your water bottle? Can I borrow that, please? This water bottle probably holds, I think, is it 16.9 ounces of water?
I thought it was 17.0.
Yeah? Well, close enough. It holds, the capacity of this bottle is 16.9 or 17 fluid ounces, okay? So, but the volume of the water in here is going to be less because the volume is the actual measurement of how much water there is. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Any questions? Show me on your hands. Any questions? Joe?
If it sounds Luke, can you put the water bottle in the measure cup, see how much it is?
Well, that's actually why I sent Elijah to get me water in my measuring cups, and I was going to put...
Aaliyah, will you go check on Elijah?
Pretty sure I saw her walking down the hallway.
You saw Elijah walking down? Oh. Okay, so this guy up here is measuring water. What is something he's thinking right now? What's he thinking? Ava?
He's thinking 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters.
1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Guys, what does that sound like? What does it sound like? Lena.
That sounds like the meters and kilometers?
Yes, it sounds like meters and kilometers. Because how many meters go into 1 kilometer? Diamond? 1,000 meters go into 1 kilometer. Thank you, girls. So, just like those, it's the same conversion, but it's different units. 1,000 milliliters, which is, guys, you need to be looking up here, not at their water. Okay? My expectations today, I have high standards. Alright? You guys got to act good, because I've got something fun planned. But if we can't handle it, we're not going to do it. Okay? 250 milliliters that could go in this measuring cup. So, in this measuring cup, how many milliliters do you think there are? How many? Dixie, turn around. How many do you think, Xavier? 1,000, because this measuring cup holds how much water?
1,000 liters.
1,000 milliliters, or
1 liter.
1 liter. All right, I'll put some glue in there so y'all can see.
I'm not sure. It's going to be different colors because one's got more water in it. Woo!
Whoa. I thought you said glue. Now you just need to mix it up. What is it called?
Guys, remember my expectations. Okay, so this, I don't know how, is there anything I can serve?
There's some popsicle sticks on that bookshelf. Where it's
Where?
to the left.
In the box.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh, this is going to be awesome.
All right, we're going to make this.
That's so pretty. Well, that's
It is pretty, isn't it?
Why didn't do any?
Mackay.
Shush, guys. Lena, can you please remind the class of my expectations?
Just be level 1 and not talk while you're teaching.
Exactly. Thank you. Guys, I know this is fun. It's fun for me too. Okay? But we got to pay attention because we're still learning. All right, so this is how much? 1,000 milliliters. So, without looking, not Alasia or Joe, how many milliliters do you think this is? JC?
500?
500, which would be half of a liter. Right.
500 milliliters.
Right, Joe.
What I'm getting to the point is how is that 1,000 fixed half? Shouldn't it that cup right there be like a double size and it's not a double size?
Joe brings up, that was an awesome question. Dojo points for you, Joe. Okay, look, guys.
It's wider.
This, yes, Isaac. This cup is close to the same height as this one, right? This, I would pick it up. I'm afraid I'll spill
But
it.
that one's thicker.
But this one is so much more round,
It's giant.
guys, that it holds so much more. That's
It
like
has more width.
it's having this cube, and y'all know the little ones cubes that are in that bucket up there?
Oh, yeah.
Does that make sense how there is 100 of those in similar to one of these?
Yeah.
Do we get how that one holds so much more even though it's not that much taller? Did that answer your question, Joe? Did that answer your question?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Alright, so we will come back and use these again. We're going to do stations today. I know. It's exciting. They're fun. I think they're fun stations. I would have fun. Okay, guys. So, but first we have to learn how to convert liters and milliliters to each other, which you all know how to do
Oh, yeah.
because you know how to do meters and kilometers, correct? Show me on your hands. Show me on your hands. You know? You know how. Alright, well, we're going to do a couple practice ones. We're not going to get our smartboard, or not our smartboards, our Chromebooks out today because
We're doing stations.
we're doing stations and we have water on the tables. That would be a recipe for disaster. Okay, Kelly. Guys, I will go over what the stations are when we get done with this, okay? We have to get through this first.
Yes, ma'am.
The meaning of volume and capacity, guys. This is the actual definition. Eyes up here. Eyes up here. The meaning of volume is the amount of liquid in a container. So like I had Luke's water bottle. Elijah, eyes up here. His water bottle only had a small amount of water in it. So that is what we're measuring for volume. Bless you. JC?
Can I come to the carpet shop and see if I don't-
You may. If any of you need to come to the carpet to see up here, you're plenty welcome. I love my third graders. They're always so excited. Okay, so somebody remind me what capacity was. Does anybody remember? We're going to learn the definition too. But, Day-Day, what's capacity? You want to ask a friend? Ask for help.
It's volume because it tells you right there in the sentence. Volume is the amount of liquid in a container.
But what's capacity?
It's
This can get sort of confusing, guys, because volume and capacity are so closely related, but they're not the same thing.
liquid.
JC, what's capacity?
How much the container weighs?
It's, no, let me get my cup and I'll see if this helps a little bit. Okay, this cup here holds 24 ounces of water, okay? When it's completely full, there's 24 ounces, okay? I know this isn't milliliters, but pretend it's 750 milliliters, okay? That's the capacity. It's the total amount that it could hold. Now, my cup's probably about halfway full. So, the amount that's left in my cup is the volume. Roland, look, I was up here. This is the volume because it's only about this much full. Does that help you understand a little better?
So it would not.
What? Joe?
So you're saying it's halfway full and it's 24 ounces. So if it was already full, it'd be 88. I know 48.
No. The capacity of my cup is 24 ounces. When my cup is completely full to here, it has 24 ounces of water in it.
But it's now that she drunk some of it.
I drank some of my water and it's down here,
So it's probably gonna be like.
so I probably only have about 12 ounces left. But that's the volume would be 12 ounces. The capacity would be 24. You're trying to find the capacity of a container and the volume of the liquid inside of it. The capacity is how much it has when it's full. Thank you, Nina.
So, the reason why it confused me out there, because it says values, yeah, I thought like, that was, I thought capacity was, the amount of liquid that's in the container.
Oh, okay. You thought we were talking about capacity. Okay. No, see, this container right here is completely full. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
So it's at its full capacity because it's completely full. This one up here is only about this much full. So you're looking for the volume of that water. This is capacity, Joe.
I don't get what you're saying, and on the very, very top, it says the meaning of volume and capacity is how is volume different from capacity. Is that the answer?
It's kind of like,
Or is it different?
No. This is what we're learning.
it's kind of like your bottle of water is halfway full, but whenever it's all the way full, it looks like that.
It kind of looks like a light bulb.
Yeah. Let me get to the capacity page. Okay. So they completely filled up container A with water. With me? Then they poured all of the water that was in container A into this measuring